What is your name and badge number?
Why?
Get lost.
Get lost.
Yeah, you're dismissed.
This is detectives conducting an investigation.
Where's
if you
the
interfere, you'll be arrested. You understand?
Bull.
You need to
Stop
leave.
blinding me.
You need to leave.
Stop blinding me.
You're taking my attention off
Stop
my
blinding me.
activities.
You better get this guy under
Interfering with my
control.
investigation.
It is your duty to get this moron under control.
Oftentimes we see cops harass people simply for recording police activity. Sometimes the people push back. Welcome back, folks. In this video, the cop goes out of his way to harass the videographer. He hasn't said a word to anyone. He was a reasonable distance away. Immediately, cops begin to harass him. And the way he talked to these cops would make Gunnery Sergeant Hartman of Full Metal Jacket proud. I'm asking the questions here.
Can I be in charge for a while?
If they ever bring back the show Who's the Boss, Tony Danza can just stay home. Make this guy the lead actor. This is a newer channel. It's growing fast. He has a few videos that are really good. He takes no crap from public servants. Make sure to go check him out. I'll include links as always. Let's check out this short video. We'll give you our final thoughts at the end.
What's up?
Nothing, just looking. What's up?
Huh?
Just observing. What's up?
I can't hear you. You what? What did you say?
Who are you?
Who am I?
Yes.
Sheriff's deputy?
And what is your name and badge number?
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Get lost.
Get lost.
Yeah, you're dismissed.
Okay.
Good, go.
This is detectives conducting an investigation.
Where's
if you
the-
interfere, you'll be arrested. You understand?
Bull. Where's the tape?
What is what tape?
Yeah, where's your tape?
I don't need tape.
Okay. How many feet am I standing away from your so-called investigation that is complete now? The person's in custody in your vehicle. And you're
I'm
not even...
watching two prisoners.
and you're
if
not
you
even
bother me while I'm doing
Oh,
that,
shut the
I will
hell
fuck
up,
you
guys.
today.
Shut the hell up.
Get out of here.
Bull.
Take off.
Shut the hell up. You get out of here. You're gonna come here and not identify yourself as a cop and you're gonna give me
interfere in my
directives?
investigation?
Hey, come here.
Are you going to interfere in my investigation?
Nobody's interfering. You're interfering with me.
You are.
Okay? You're gonna blind me? Fine. Let's do that.
You need to
Stop
leave.
blinding me.
You need to leave.
Stop blinding me.
You're taking my attention off
Stop
my
blinding me.
activities.
You better get this guy
Interfering
under
with my
control.
investigation.
It is your duty to get this moron under control.
Take a deep breath. Okay.
No, I'm not.
You want to talk to me?
Get him under control.
Okay, talk to me then.
Who the hell are you?
Get me under control.
Yeah, you.
It's my investigation.
Who?
Read it.
E. Swanson. ID
That's
number.
correct.
Badge number.
3366.
You, sir.
Gonzalez, 5031.
Great. Get this asshole under control before I do.
Walk over there, please. Thank you.
I will walk wherever I want. Wherever I want. Stop blinding me or I'm going to keep blinding you.
Now that's blinding.
If
This
you
is
hurt
not
my
blinding.
eyesight,
This
you'll
is
get
me
a
watching
lawsuit.
You.
If you hurt my eyesight, you're going to get a lawsuit, dumbass.
Good.
Get him under control, sir.
Bring it.
This is hurting my eyes.
Okay, just walk,
Get him under control.
walk over there.
Your duty to intervene. You know this is wrong.
Listen.
Get it under control.
Hey, take a deep breath.
Get lost.
Stop shining that in
Hey.
my face.
I will. Because you're doing the same thing.
You can leave.
That's your
I don't
case?
have to leave.
We're doing an investigation
Good
right
for
now.
you.
You're impeding because I'm trying to watch your custody.
Hey,
I have evidence.
I was minding my own business
You could- you're-
until this dumb shit
Hey!
started interfering with me.
It's time to walk away.
It's time that I will do.
You can stand over there and film all you want, but we're
Great.
done playing these games.
Great.
Walk
Then
over.
Don't
Go.
bother me. Where?
Stand
On the
right there.
sidewalk.
Right here?
Yes.
On the sidewalk.
You
Great.
stay right there or you walk that way. You understand that?
Shut up.
Good.
Shut up. You don't intimidate me. This is my right.
Stay over there, please. Thank you.
I will stay where I like.
Alright folks, what did we learn from this video? Cops hate accountability and transparency. They believe they're above the law. They enforce feelings instead of law. They have presumed authority and wish it was unbridled power. Cops don't know what the First Amendment is, even though they swore an oath to the Constitution. Patterns don't lie. Video after video, we're seeing cops violate people's rights, and when we ask them if they know the First Amendment, they tuck tail and leave. It's about time the people have agreed on something. It doesn't matter if you're liberal or conservative, red or blue, black or white, gay or straight, man or woman, young or old. old, pretty or ugly. We have realized who is turning this country upside down on its head. Government works with Hollywood. Athletes are bought. Mainstream media pushes agendas. Commercials remind you who the consumer is. When I started this channel, there were only a handful of channels like mine. Now there's hundreds, if not thousands. The freedom movement is in full effect and it's gone global. There are auditors in the UK, Australia, Canada, and other places as well. The people didn't just wake up and say, hey, I want to be anti-government. The people have seen the civil unrest and have realized it's not the people's fault. Yes, the people have issues like mental health, but government hasn't figured out how to deal with that. They deal with everything with brute force and compliance.
Quit it! That fucking hurts,
It's
dude.
called paying compliance. When you stop resisting...
They have the idea that people should just comply. Those days are practically over, at least for many of you. You've been empowered. You know the importance of holding government accountable. You're a real patriot. Yes, Democrats can be patriots too. Holding government accountable has got to be the most patriotic thing one can do. Freedom should be the topic on every dinner table every single night. These cops found a man who knew his rights and their egos were deflated like a needle to a balloon. With that being said, you guys go subscribe to his channel. He's growing fast and with good reason. I'll see you guys in his comment section. Have yourself a free day. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.